Xpand shoelaces. Do they work? Or is it all a bunch of hot air? We're about to find out.
Chocolate gadgets.
Chocolate gadgets.
What's up, guys? Gary Janae, Chocolate Gadgets. And in today's video, we are going to check out and review these Xpand shoelaces. What they do is that they turn your standard sneakers into slip-ons, and you don't have to tie your laces again. So to be honest with you, I've actually been using these for a while. All right, they're in these and they're in the sneakers that I have on right now. And I decided, because I'm putting them in these sneakers, I said, you know what, I'm going to do a little review and talk about these, all right? So let's get these out of the way. And here we go. Right here, as you can see, these are the laces, and it is elastic lacing system. So therefore, and there's these other little things that you have to add. So yeah, to me, it's a gadget, whatever. All right, for anybody saying, ain't no gadget. So what you do is you take your sneakers. I have these right here. These are my trusty gym shoes. And you pretty much lace them up like you would lace any sneakers. So let's go through that process. And this is an ingenious idea because all this really is elastic, man. It's just elastic band with these shoelace tips on them. Okay. I'll probably, do a close-up. That's all it is. So let's lace these up. We're probably just going to fast forward through all of this. Okay, and as you can see, these are laced up. All right, just like normal shoelaces. There's nothing different. Okay, and inside of your Xpand laces, just to let you know, it's really simple. You have your laces, and you have this little bag right here, right, which I have right here for these black laces. You have this bag, okay, and in that bag, let's just dump this out. Okay, you have these. These are your end clips. All right, these are your end clips. I'm going to show you what that is later. But the magic of this is this right here, okay? And what you do, I'm going to put these on, is that you have to take these, put them on. You have to get them to a certain level of comfort, get them nice and tight. And then you're going to use these. But, let me just show you. I can show you better than I can tell you. Come on. Okay, so now that we have this nice and comfy, all right, we have our shoe nice and comfy. What you want to do is it comes with these, okay? These are what you're going to use as your adjustment system, all right? Really important. So you want to make sure that, you have your two holes, and you have this slit. You want to make sure that the slit is pointing away from you, pointing away from the sneaker. Okay, and these two holes are back towards you, all right? So these two holes are towards you, this one is away, all right? So you wanna go up through, or push that through the second hole, the hole closest to the slit that's away from you. And you wanna go through that, all right? And now you don't wanna go all the way back over here, because that doesn't give you any slack, any room for adjustment, okay? You may wanna make these tighter or looser. So you pull that out. Okay, and then you go back through that first hole, which is closest to you. Now look at what we have here. Okay, you just have that loop going through. All right, so now what you want to do now, simply turn this back around, pull it back on top of what you have already, and then just stick that bad boy through that slit right there. Bam. And there you have it. Okay, so once you have this, right, this is pretty much what you have. You can give yourself extra, but what you can do right now, right, is that you can adjust this. Make it a little bit smaller, tighter, whatever. what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pull mine in some, get a little bit closer, a little bit closer. And I'm going to leave all my extra right here because what I'm about to do now, okay, is cut. All right, I want to cut that. Okay, so you're pretty much done. I mean, if you want to, you can leave it like that, but they give you these really cool end caps. Okay, I hope you guys can see that. So what you want to do, so in case of any fraying, you just want to take this little edge right here, a lighter, and see these edges? You just want to take that and just real quick, just a little, bam. Don't set your whole damn house on fire, but just hit that, fray that, okay? And you want to take this, let me just show you. You want to take this and add it right to this clip right here. No, you don't want to do that like that. Don't do it that way, okay? Don't go in and add it this way, meaning you see the circle in the middle and you put this right here and then snap it. You don't want to do that, okay? You want to go right here like this, and you want to put it, pull it through that hole right there. Pull it through that hole. Can you see that? You pull it through the hole, and it'll attach right there. You just push it down on those little ridges, and then from there you want to take that, snap it. Okay, so there your system is done. And if you want to put and this is why you give yourself this extra slack right here, so that if you ever want to adjust it, make it looser, make it tighter, you have it. And you can go in extra. Like I said, you can always cut this and make it shorter, but if you make it too short, you can't make it longer. And that right there, my friend, is your little sneaker system. They are awesome. Love them. Now, just to show you guys again, okay, when you put these in, right, you want to take this after you've already frayed that edge, and you take it just like that. You have it wide open like that with the hole in the middle. You just want to push that edge through the hole from the outside. You want to push it through the hole. See, like that there? Hold on. All right. And just don't go past that little tip right here. Just let it set on those little ridges right up in there, right? See how it's through there? And it's on those ridges. But don't go to the edge. Don't go past that little tip. And then you just take it, snap it in, and you good money. Okay, guys, so for the Xpand Shoelaces redesign elastic lacing system, all right? Oh, no, you even can see them. I got them on right here. Let's take it off. These things are awesome. Why? Because these are one of those things where it's just like, why didn't anybody think of this a long time ago? Because it's really just elastic. The real part that really gives it the edge is that little thing that I showed you, this little system right here, the little holes and the snap on the edge. That's the real key to this. But guys, they turn your sneakers into slip-ons, and you never have to worry about your shoelaces getting untied again. Guys, I love them. Okay, I'm going to say this though. If you're doing a lot of really stop and go stuff, I'm going to say make them really extra tight. You understand what I'm saying? I'm going to say make them really extra tight. You won't have any problem, because if they're too loose, you can stop and go, and your sneaker might come off because there's no knot at the top. But if you make them tight, that's not going to happen. So I'm going to say that's the only drawback, and that's why I wanted you guys to always leave that extra room up in here with this. Always leave some extra room up in here so that you can make them looser or tighter. That's why you have this adjustment system. So all in all, I'm going to give these bad boys 4.5 chocolate bars. Why? Because they're relatively inexpensive. They could be cheaper. I'm quite sure they make these in China for a half of a cent. And these were, I think I bought, they were $5 a piece, $5 to $7 a piece. I mean, that's cheap, but it's still, I know that they get these. I know that they get these. I know that you can have these made in China for cheaper, but I just know that stuff. But all in all, 4.5 chocolate bars, because they do what they say they're going to do, and they solve a problem. All right, guys, if you like stuff like this, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe, because I don't just do electronic gadgets. I do a little bit of everything, okay? Chocolate Gadgets out. Peace.